Want to create Facebook Reels that go viral, even if you're a total beginner? The secret weapon you've been looking for is AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use artificial intelligence to brainstorm, create, and optimize Reels that people can't stop watching and sharing. Let's get started. First things first, you need a killer idea. This is where AI shines. Head over to an AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini and give it a simple prompt. Something like, give me 10 viral video ideas for Facebook Reels about home gardening for beginners. Within seconds, you'll have a list of trending topics, popular formats, and even specific hooks to grab attention. Forget staring at a blank screen for hours. AI gives you a running start with ideas that are already proven to work. Once you have your idea, it's time to write the script. Again, AI is your best friend. Tell your AI assistant, write a 30-second script for a reel about 3 common houseplant mistakes. It will generate a script complete with a hook, main points, and a call to action. Read it out loud and tweak it to sound more like you. Remember, authenticity is key. The AI does the heavy lifting, and you add the personality. Now, let's bring your script to life. You don't need fancy equipment. Your smartphone is perfect, but what about editing? This used to be the hardest part, but not anymore. There are AI-powered video editing apps that can automatically add captions, which is crucial since most people watch Reels with the sound off. These apps can also suggest trending audio, cut your clips to the beat of the music, and even generate entire videos from a single text prompt. It's like having a professional editor in your pocket. Finally, you need a caption and the right hashtags to get discovered. Guess what? AI can do that too. Ask it to write a compelling Facebook Reel caption for a video about houseplant mistakes and include 5 relevant hashtags. It will give you an engaging caption designed to boost comments and shares, plus hashtags that will push your reel out to a wider audience. So, to recap, use AI to find viral ideas, write your script, help with editing and captions, and choose your hashtags. By leveraging these powerful tools, you can skip the steep learning curve and start creating professional-looking reels that have a real shot at going viral. It's all about working smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on growing your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.